Super Talented Kid, a biggest platform to explore kids' talent. A proud moment to make your kid recognized worldwide. An opportunity to get honored in an award show. Also get a chance to meet and greet with Bollywood celebrity. Apply now. Log on to www.internationalbookofrecords.com and for more details call 9646803875 7973 222208. Super Talented Kid, one in a million.
Hello everyone, I am Varinder
Hi, I'm Nikhil.
and we are parents of Mehransh. Mehransh is our New Year baby who came in our lives on 1st of January 2018. Right from the very beginning, we could realize that he was very curious about everything around him. And when he started talking, he would only ask us questions, and this is still continuing. Right from morning till night, he's asking us, and the questions are also very meaningful. So he's very curious about things like, the organs inside our body, what is their function, what happens to the wastewater, what happens to the garbage. So every time he's asking us questions, and he's very curious to learn new things. We also realized a few months back that he has a brilliant memory, and he would recollect names of flags, capitals, and road signs, and it would be very surprising because I would keep forgetting, but he would still remember. So he is blessed with a brilliant memory. Besides this, he also enjoys painting, and he has a brilliant color sense. So even in our day-to-day life also, he will keep looking for some colors that look good together. So the other day, when he was brushing his teeth, so he saw his toothbrush and he said, "Mama, wow, pink and blue look very good together." And so I bought him some canvas, and he would paint them on his own independently. He would come up with his own techniques, his own color schemes, and he creates brilliant artworks which look very colorful, very lively. You can see one behind us. This is done by him, and it is 2 feet by 3 feet size canvas. So I buy him a lot of stationery, and every day he spends almost 1 to 2 hours just drawing and painting. He also already knows about lots of techniques like hatching, stippling, scumbling. So he knows all these techniques also. So he has a very good art vocabulary. He can identify some very famous artworks, of artists, and the names of the paintings, the name of the artist.
So yes, indeed, we are very thankful to International Book of Records for recognizing all of his talents.
Tamil Nadu,
Chennai,
Karnataka,
Bengaluru,
Andhra Pradesh,
Amravati,
Telangana,
Hyderabad,
Maharashtra,
Mumbai,
Goa,
Pandim,
Dadra and Nagar Haveli,
Shivasa,
Daman and Diu,
Daman,
Gujarat,
Gandhinagar,
Rajasthan,
Jaipur,
Punjab and Haryana,
Chandigarh,
Jammu and Kashmir,
Srinagar,
Himachal Pradesh,
Shimla.
Ladakh,
Tu es Rafik. Rafik सीखने लगा है उसके लेवल मैं नेटवर्क मार्च not over week one with Rafik accident prone area Justin Pradesh speed limit no U-turn I put ahead speed break ahead Spain Argentina Ireland Sweden, Portugal, Ireland, Canada, Turkey, Greece, Thailand, Germany, Africa, Norway, Italy, United